Hello Nature Files, we're here in the Lower Blue Mountains at Glenbrook National Park. I'm standing at the corner of Ngurra and Mount Portal Trail, and we're about to do the Portal Waterhole Loop. This is the first time I've done it, so let's go check it out together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. The waterhole is that away if you want to check it out, but we continue on that way. So, in this dense brush somewhere is the waterhole, which I imagine is a bit dry at the moment. It's like walking through a corridor of eucalypts. Some just barely bigger than me. So from here we head that way back to the car. It's this way back to the car. So, we're back at the car now. What did you think of that? To be honest, not the most exciting walk, but if you're a bird lover and come here early in the morning, I think you'd be hard pressed not to spot a few. It's a fairly easy walk, so if you're just looking to pass some time and you're in the area, might as well check it out. It's not a hard slog at all, and I mean, you're still getting a walk in nature, so it's good for your mental health. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people.